Hello, I'm Nisa. I'm back again. Today I'm going to show you how to make microwave sticky rice. What you need is sticky rice, cling film, and a suitable microwave bowl or any container you got in the house. Pour the rice into the bowl, add very hot water, and cover with the cling film and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you remove the cling film and stir a little bit with chopstick and rinse it off with the cold water. After you rinse with cold water, you add 200 grams of cold water to replace it and put it back in microwave for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes from microwave, wait for a few seconds before you remove the cling film. Stir a little bit, cover with the cling film. Put it back in microwave for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes in microwave, you leave it for 5 minutes before you can remove the cling film. It's ready, but you can't eat it yet. Dip your spoon with the cold water and stir a little bit more. We want to get the steam out as much as we can. Let it cool down and portion it. Wrap with the cling film if you're not going to eat all at one go. Eat by hand. Don't even try to use the forks. You can eat with dipping sauce, fried chicken, barbecue pork, or sometimes papaya salad, or anything really. Oh, sorry, I talk too much here. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.